Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. Picked up some new tools today. Got the Bauer surface conditioning tool and the band file belt sander. I went ahead and joined the inside track. So the surface conditioning tool was 110 bucks and the band file belt sander that they had on sale for 30. So both of these tools here was 140 bucks before tax. The surface conditioning tool comes with 3 abrasive drums, 40, 120, and 240 grit. So you can see here I got the 40 grit installed, and then here's the 120 and the 240 for finishing work. And then the band file belt sander uses a 1/2 inch by 18 inch sanding belt. This one comes pre-installed, and then here's the spare. So the surface conditioning tool has a 9 amp motor, and the belt sander is 5.3 amps. There you go. I have turned on both of these tools, ran them up to max speed. They both seem perfectly adequate. Don't have anything right now at the moment to test them on. That'll be in the near future, but definitely look forward to using these. I'm going to go ahead and get more of the sanding belts for this because I have used this kind of tool in the past. It was an air-powered version, but definitely going to need more sanding belts than that, so that's on the list for sure. And that'll do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.